Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. In this video the goose will be cooked. These geese are kept buried in the snow and left to dry in the cold after salting. Since these processes are prepared in the city of Kars, it is difficult to see how they are done, but you can see it in a few photos. Since the goose is dried and salty, it needs to be washed with warm water. It may be necessary to clean up the remaining hairs on the outside. The goose is added whole to the pot and boiling water is added. You can put some weight on it to keep it underwater. Remove the foam on it when it boils. Yellow-looking liquids on the goose animal fat. In this way, it will boil for 3-4 hours, and the goose meat will be cooked until it separates from the bone. Meanwhile, the salad ingredients will be prepared. You can make a salad according to the ingredients you have, as we are in the winter months, the ingredients are limited. Lettuce, purple cabbage, carrot, tomato, cucumber. Chop the salad ingredients, add them in a bowl and mix, that way it can wait. Yogurt to make tzatziki. Finely chop 2 cucumbers. Chop the dill. Add the yogurt in the bowl, add some water and mix. Add some salt. Add olive oil. Add chopped dill and cucumber, mix. Add some dried mint. Mixed vegetable pickles. The goose keeps boiling. There is little time left to cook and bulgur pilaf will be made with goose broth. One cup of bulgur. Liquid oil. Add bulgur and mix. Add some salt, add less salt as goose broth is salty. Add 1 cup of goose water and 1 cup of normal water. Add goose fat. Bulgur pilaf is ready. Lavash bread. Breads are slightly toasted and risen. Goose meat began to separate from the bone. Baking will be done. Butter is being rubbed. The goose will be fried in the oven for 15 minutes. Salad and tzatziki plates are being prepared. Add lemon and olive oil. You can add pomegranate syrup. Lavash bread is added to a large tray and bulgur pilaf is added in the middle. Goose is placed on the rice and served in this way. Finally, goose broth is added and the breads are dipped in it. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. If you want to donate, you can specify in the comments. Don't forget to click the like button. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.